What is up? It's Matt. Welcome to Taco Potato Mustang. Just going to share some quick updates on the Mustangs and on the garage. So first and foremost, this would probably be easier to show if I had the garage door open. It's a little bit chilly, and I am not planning on doing anything tonight, but I organized my garage for the most part, and my space is a little bit better than it was previously. That's some recyclable stuff that needs to go out, but this part over here probably still needs to be redone. But pretty excited about having a better organized, cleaner garage, and also excited because I got a few things in the mail today for the Fox body. But first, one thing I wanted to share. So it turns out that there is at least some sort of slow fuel leak on the Fox body, and based on initial investigation, it looks like it's around the fuel filler neck, which is the area behind the actual gas cap that goes to the fuel tank. So that problem revealed itself when I filled up the tank. I actually think it might have been the first time I filled up the tank on this car completely. So I went ahead and ordered the fuel filler kit. So this is the actual filler neck, and then these are the different seals, and I think this is a grommet. I can't remember what it's called, and some of the hardware. So I'm currently trying to safely reduce the amount of fuel that is in the gas tank. I haven't had any problems driving it the last few days, but I have been keeping a fire extinguisher in my car just in case. And then also the pads that are on top of the fuel tank, since it seemed like these have been damaged with fuel, so I got some new ones of these. And then another thing that I got, hang on just a second. So check this out. So this is actually part of a Ram Air kit that will go with this Cervini's Ram Air hood. And here's what the back of it looks like. One thing I was happy about is that it's actually white on the side that you'll see when the hood is up. And it also came with another section for the airbox. So this will replace the factory airbox, and it also came with this cone filter, which will go in here like that. I'm pretty unhappy with the fact that this thing is it came all bent up. It's definitely not in good shape. So I called Cervini's today to try and see if they can send me a replacement. And I think there might have been some other parts missing from the kit. So yeah, but I'm not going to have time to do that just yet. I do have to pick up a few things like Bondo and some wax to do the installation. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to do this sometime next week. Part of the reason why I wanted to do this kit is because it goes with the Cervini's Ram Air hood, which was put on by somebody who owned the car previously. It would have been my first choice if I had picked a hood, but it's kind of grown on me. And my problem with it is now, though, is that water gets into the ram air scoops pretty easily. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might know that at some point a few months ago, I took the car through the car wash and the car ended up dying in the car wash. So I am hoping that this ram air kit will both prevent future incidents with water getting on like the ignition coil or the battery, and also give me a little bit of a performance boost. So plus it's cheaper than buying another hood, whether it's factory or a cowl hood, and then having it painted. So I'm hoping to get the ram air hood done soon, and then I'll do a video of the installation process, because I haven't seen anybody do that yet, and also take it for a drive and see if it makes any noticeable difference. And then also we'll be doing the documenting dropping the fuel tank, and I'm definitely going to replace the fuel filler neck and the seals and grommets and stuff, but also just going to check the rest of the components on the fuel tank to make sure nothing else needs to be replaced. So not excited about that, but it's nice to identify a problem and then have a plan for fixing it. So someone did suggest changing the fuel pump while I'm in there, so I'm considering that as well, just so that I don't have to drop the fuel tank again in the future. And yeah, so and the Dude Stang black car is running pretty good. I had the differential flushed, the fluid changed at a dealer here. Had the tires and brakes checked recently. Everything's running pretty good. I there was something I was gonna say. I haven't had any issues with the Steeda shifter. I still haven't had a chance to mess around with the dash cam settings and do like a full review on that. But yeah, anyways, I'm not a lot to report other than the upcoming mods, but just wanted to get that out there and let folks know what's coming soon. And yeah, pretty excited. So anyways, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more Fox Body and Coyote Mustang content on Taco Potato Mustang channel. Take care, stay safe, peace out.